Welcome to Homework Lib.
Here in this problem, what we want is to calculate the mass percent of piperazine. Given the following reaction of precipitation of an impure material, we know that the total mass of the sample is going to be equal to 2.15 grams, and the mass of the precipitate is going to be equal to 0.57 grams. So in order to do this, we want to know directly what is going to be the mass of piperazine. And in this case, what I'm going to do is employ conversion factors in order to get to this mass. So we're going to start with 0.57 grams of precipitate. We know that the precipitate is going to have a molar mass of 206.24 grams per mole. So we need to divide 0.24 by this quantity. And we know that we're going to have a 1-to-1 relationship in between the precipitate and piperazine. So 1 mole of precipitate is equal to 1 mole of piperazine. And finally, we're going to multiply by the molecular weight of piperazine in order to get the mass. So the molecular weight of piperazine is 86.14 grams. So 86.14 grams of piperazine is going to correspond to 1 mole of piperazine. So the mass of piperazine in this case would be 0.2381 grams. So the percent in mass is going to be equal to the mass of piperazine divided by the total mass of the sample times 100. So this would be 0.2381 divided by 2.15 grams times 100, which is going to give us up to 1 decimal place, 11.1%. And with that, it would be all. Notice that using a conversion factor is going to allow us to get the result way faster than with other techniques.